Hello guys and welcome to App Screencast, Dan here. So just a quick video today. I want to tell you about a service called Copy.com. Now Copy.com is an alternative to something like Dropbox. It's a newer company, and because it's a newer company they're actually doing some really good special offers at the minute. Now before I tell you about these offers, I'll quickly show you some information on screen about the service, go into a little bit more detail, and I'll tell you about the actual offer you could take advantage of. So I'm at my computer guys, and what I've decided to do is I'm actually going to demo the application and the service Copy.com. But before I actually demo it for you guys not quite familiar what this is all about, for you guys who already know what cloud storage is and maybe used to using applications like Dropbox, I'm going to actually tell you about the offer first. So what the offer is, if you go over to Copy.com and sign up to a free account, you'll actually get 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is quite a lot and pretty decent deal. All you have to do is put your email address in, choose a password, and you basically got 15 gigabytes of storage. But even better, don't go to copy.com. If you go down to the link below, which is my referral link, and use that link to sign up, you will get an extra 5 gigabytes. So in total, you'll get 20 gigabytes of free storage. So that's a pretty good deal. I definitely recommend you take advantage of that offer. Also, what's pretty cool, if you refer people such as your friends and family, you can gain an extra 5 gigabytes for every referral. So you can really up your storage there by just referring people. I think at the minute I've got around about 8 gigabytes of storage, and that's just from referring all my friends and family. So if you just go to that referral link, you'll get your 20 gigabytes of storage. But what I'll do quickly now is just quickly show you how to sign up, just in case you're not quite sure and you want a little bit of help. You can follow the next few steps. So just to clarify how you get your 20 gigabytes of storage, what you need to do is go to the description below and sign up through the link below. Once you're signed up through that link, you need to then go to your email inbox and check for an email from copy.org. And this is just an email confirmation that you actually want to set up your account, so basically confirm that. Then the final step is you just need to download the application for either your computer or your mobile phone. Once you've actually logged in on the application, then you'll get your full 20 gigabytes of storage. So now I'm going to show you me demoing the application on my Mac and my iPhone, but this application is not exclusively to Apple or anything like that. You can also get the application for Android, Windows and Linux. So definitely check them out on them platforms too. So I've got the application installed on my Mac, and you can see actually running here at the top. It's this little icon here. And we can go into the actual copy folder, and this is basically all the application is on the desktop, is a folder on your computer. And now you can basically put your files into this area, this folder as it were. So as you can see, I've just dropped this iPhone wallpaper into the folder, and it doesn't just have to be pictures, it can be video files, it can be applications, it can be pretty much anything you want. You can basically store in the copy folder. And one thing good about the actual copy service is it's unlimited basically file sizes. So if you've got a 4 gigabyte file, a 10 gigabyte file, you can store them on copy. There's no file limit like there is with a lot of other cloud storage services. So as you can see there, I've just uploaded my photo to the cloud. You can see it's got a little tick mark there saying it's just been uploaded, which is pretty cool. And this picture is still on my computer. It's not been removed from my computer. It's still there, but it's also been synced to the cloud. So now if I've got any other devices connected to this account, to this cloud account, I can access that file whenever I want. I can also make changes to the file like so. So if I want, I can actually change the name of it if I wanted to, like so. And it will change it obviously on my computer, but it will also change the file what's in the cloud. So as you can see there, that's pretty much the application on the desktop. Now let me quickly demo it on the iPhone. So here you can see I've actually got the application launched on my iPhone. Now it obviously doesn't need to be an iPhone, it could be an Android phone or even a tablet such as an iPad or an Android tablet. Now I might add here actually, you don't need to have a desktop such as a computer or a laptop to use this application. You can use it just on your phone. You can use it to sync multiple devices up, such as multiple phones and tablets, or you can just use it on one phone and just use it as a good way to back up your data to the cloud. So if your phone ever gets stolen or damaged, you've always got your important files in the cloud. So as you can see here on my iPhone, the file we chose to sync on the computer is now appeared on the iPhone as if by magic. So now we've got that photo there, we can actually select the photo and view it on the iPhone. And remember, this doesn't have to be just photos, it could be a video or pretty much any file. It does support a lot of file types. So as you can see, that photo is now loaded. So now we've got the image loaded, we've got a few different options. One is we can actually just download the image to our phone, maybe to the photo library, so we can maybe set the image to wallpaper or something like that. We've got some sharing options if we wish to share the image. Or we can choose to star the image, which basically means make it a favourite, so it will actually save on the phone, so there's no need to actually connect to the internet to access the photo. It will always be on the phone. Obviously that takes up memory, so you've got to be wary of that, especially if it's something like a video. So I quickly go over some of the options. So as you can see there, we've got the menu button which brings up all the menus. We've got an inbox, so if anyone sends you any files. We've got our favourites, which are basically files stored on a phone. And we've got also a good way to actually sort files. So if we want to basically view all files, we can just tap on that. If we want to maybe go to just the documents, we can do. As you can see, I've got no documents. If we go to images, it sorts all the images. So we've got one image, so it's brought that up. Videos, etc. Next up, we've got upload, so that allows us to upload files to the cloud. This is pretty handy if you want to just back up any data, or obviously if you want to access these files from other devices. Here I'm just backing up a photo I took earlier, so as you can see there, pretty easy to upload photos. And one last thing to note, if you go to the copied.com website and actually log in, you can access all your files through the website, which is pretty handy. So as you can see there, the application is very similar to something like Dropbox. Maybe not quite as many features, but still a very solid application. And when you take into account all the free storage you can actually get from copy.org at the minute, it's definitely something to download and definitely get the free storage and take advantage of that. So be sure to check the referral link below. So thanks for watching this video everyone, hopefully you did find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.